So we will go back to Falstad simulation. So in table number 1, I think no question for table number 1. We will proceed to table number 2. Okay, here. So Falstad again, and then what is next? We will blank circuit. Okay, we will make it as blank circuit, and then we will perform the circuit connection. So it is stated in the circuit that from draw, and then active component, since diode it is in the form of active component, how many diode? So there are two. We will use two rectifier diode. Okay, two rectifier diode. Okay, actually it's very easy. And then both are connected. So line, draw a line, add wire. So from here, so it is connected. Okay, it is connected. Then we will extend also there for the equivalent value of a resistor. So here it is a resistor. So as much as possible, class, make your line, it is good and straight line. So we will remove this cut so that it is presentable. So draw a diode active, right? So add wire first so that it is straight. I want to be straight line. Okay. Then diode. It is in the form of active component diode. So from here, we will connect here. Okay. Two diodes are connected in this circuit, and then series with the resistor, we will go to draw, and then inductor. Inductor, it is in the form of a passive, right? Or is it in a passive? Yes, it is in a passive. So inductor, we will add inductor here. Okay, inductor, and then add wire. So we will add another wire. So this time it's not connected. Did you see this? This is actually not connected. Okay. Now we will connect power supply. So we'll go for draw. Draw input sources. Okay, input sources. It is AC. Okay, alternating current with two voltage terminal. This one, and then another one. Okay, for the diode 2. Okay, so we need to include the ground. Don't forget to put a ground here. Add ground. Okay, ground like this. Okay, now go to edit, then center circuit. Okay, so it is now visible. So since my task, I will change my task this as 12 volts. So you know already what is your task, but my task, it is 12 volts. My frequency is 40. Okay, then I will click OK. Then here also, I will click also edit. This is 12 volts, and then frequency is 40, and then click OK. And then my resistor, the value of my resistor is 200. So 200 here, then click OK. Then my inductor, my inductor value, it is how much? 0.8. Okay, 0.8 Henry. Then click OK. Then here you need to edit, and then okay, from here right click, then view new scope. Okay, here also right click, view new scope. So meaning this is diode 1, this is here for diode number 1, and here for diode number 2. Okay, then run. So as what you have noticed, class, what is now indicated here, it is the input and output waveform of diode of the diode 1 and diode 2. So this is the input and output of this connection. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, class, it is to, since this is my task, you can identify if your answer is correct. It is stated here, 12 volts, you have 12 volts and 40 hertz. You can check it if correct or not. You will see here the specs that you insert if it is correct or not. Okay, 40 hertz, 12 volts. About here, I have frequency of 40 and then 12 volts also. My resistor, it is 200, and then my inductor, it is 0.8 Henry. Okay, so I will stop. Now again I will go to my snipping tool. Okay, so from my snipping tool, so again you have in many ways, you can do this in many ways. Okay, but for me I will use snipping tool, and then I will cut this for my fruit. Okay, because this is my circuit. What is important that you will cut here, it is the circuit. Okay, for you to have the reference, because actually you will draw that in the graph, but to have a reference, it is better you will copy this and then you will go to report. Okay, so this is now your uncontrolled single phase full wave rectifier here. Okay, so again here, okay, okay, here you will insert here the insert here your task. Okay, here, so this is already your task, and then here you will write your discussion. Okay, discussion here, even here it's okay. So discussion in handwriting. Okay, take note of your discussion should be in handwriting, class. So here it is your discussion.
Teacher, not in the Word. I should by hand.
No, because it is a requirements, or it is a rules. This is a general rule in our section. Should be in handwriting, not using your keyboard. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
so that it's 100%. We will make sure that 100% you are the one who do the experiment and you are the one who do your tasks. Okay, so next it is
Teacher.
the, yes.
About my circuit, I have to copy it, print it, or?
No, you have in many ways. I told you, you can use the snipping tools. You can use also a screenshot and then paste it in the report. Okay, it's up to you, brother. If you don't have,
But I will handwrite
like that
yes,
also,
graph.
okay, go for a plain paper, do the circuit in a plain paper like this, and then take picture, and then take a screenshot, and then paste it in the report. It is easy. Okay, so you have many ways to do this. Okay, so this is my table number 1. This is my table number 2, because in your task you have to do, this is the given, this you have a given value for your task. You need to comply with the table number 1, table number 2, and table number 3 also. Okay, is it clear? So it is stated here, 3 Abdullah, you have already the voltage, frequency, resistor, and inductor. Okay, the same with the other. So we will continue, brother, because time is almost finished. So I will discuss number 3. Okay, from the uncontrolled 3-phase half-wave rectifier. So we will go back again to our circuit. From here, go to circuit and then blank circuit. Okay. So since the circuit here, as you've noticed, how many diode? How many diode? There are 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then supply, there are 3 also. Okay. From here, I will go to pulse stud. 3 diodes. Okay, it is in the form of active component. Okay, active component for diode. So this is my diode number 1, diode number 2, okay, diode number 2, and diode number 3. Okay, like this. And then, okay, then I will add wire, draw a wire. So I will extend this. I will extend a little bit this one. Okay. Extend this. And then I will extend also this for my supply. Okay. Actually, it is, you just follow what is the schematic diagram, the given schematic diagram in your report. Okay, like this. Okay. Then you will add a supply. Okay, we have the input sources, AC voltage 2 terminal, this one. So you just watch my video presentation. Since it is recorded, so you can watch my presentation immediately. You will know how to do this, and you will know also how to do your task. Okay. So then add wire. So I will add wire here. Add wire. Then I will extend this. Okay, extend also the other one. Then connect to one line. So like this only. Okay. Then wire should be one by one, wahad connection. Don't do straight line because it's wrong. As I told you last in the table number 1, for example, you will connect straight line like this, immediately is wrong, brother, because did you see there is a right indication here? When you are driving, it says stop. Your connection is wrong. So you need to stop and then go to edit. Stop, right click. You can cut or delete. It's up to you. You want to cut or delete, no problem. Okay. Oh, I delete the other one. Sorry. So here it is the input. Input voltage source AC. I cut the wrong one. So this should be the cut. So delete line, okay? So our line should be one by one, wahad. Okay, 1 and then 2. Okay, the next. And then another wire of 2 and part because we will put a load, up to here. Then add resistor. So from here we have a resistor. We will add a resistor here. Okay. Then another wire for our output. Like this. Okay. Then take note about the value. What is my power supply 1? It should be 12 volts. Okay, I'm using 12 volts here. But take note that my frequency is 40 and my phase is 0. Okay, at 0. Then my second supply, take note that again it is 12 volts. My frequency is 40 and my phase is at 120. Okay, even you will go for phase 120. You are using 120 for your phase here. Okay, and then all of you are with the same frequency or with the same phase. Okay, here 12 volts. Okay, 12 volts, and then 40, and then my phase here should be 240. 240. Okay, then click OK. About the resistor, how much is the resistor? Edit, and then my resistor value is
200, eh?
resistor value is 200, right? Okay, 200. So we need to insert also earth. Okay, click OK. Then draw input, add ground. Okay, even here I will insert my ground here. Okay, then next it is from here view new scope. Here view new scope, and here view new scope. Okay, so meaning it is now your waveform here for this, waveform here, and then waveform here. And then I will run. You see the output? This is full wave actually. Did you see the output here? It is in a form of a full wave. It is a half wave, brother. It is half wave. Did you see? It is a half wave here. Half wave. It is in a form of half wave. Then stop. Okay, stop. Then I will go to again snipping tool. Okay, so this is the previous one. Okay, then I will cut because this is my task. Okay, new, and then cut. Okay, very simple experiment. Okay, so this is now you will copy and then go back to control, this one. Okay, here. Then paste here. Paste. Okay, so this is my task number